Ever felt like herding cats trying to get to people to sign a document? Today, we're mastering Docusign and making multi-signer workflows a breeze. First, let's upload our document. Click that big new button. Then select Upload and grab the file you need. Signed. Docusign supports various formats, so you're likely covered. Now for the magic: adding our signers. Enter the first recipient's name and email in the Add Recipient field. Hit Add Recipient again to add the second person. Here's a crucial step: use the Needs to Sign drop-down for each recipient to confirm their action. Make sure it says Needs to Sign for both parties, or choose another option if they just need to view or receive a copy. Drag and drop the signature, date, and any other necessary fields onto your document. Pay close attention to the colored tabs. These identify which signer needs to complete each field. Double-check everything looks perfect. Once you're satisfied, hit that big Send button. Docusign will then email each recipient with a secure link to sign. You can track the document's progress from your dashboard. It will show us waiting for others until both parties have signed. Once everyone has signed, you'll receive a notification, and the fully executed document will be securely stored in your Docusign account. Now go conquer those multi-signer documents. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Docusign tips.